So guys, I want to show you something quick. Yeah, I'm making nut butter. So this is different type of nuts. You guys can see these are different type of nuts. Like I said, I'm going back into my smoothies because I have lost a lot of weight and I need to gain some weight. So I bought this machine from AliExpress. It just arrived, but I know this machine is not going to be strong enough for me to able to blend this nut and put it in there and with other things to blend it. So I don't want to break this machine as quick as possible. I really want to use it. So I thought, for let me just mix all my nuts and just blend everything, put it into this container, so when I'm ready to make my smoothie, I can just take some of the nuts, put it in there, and then add my fruit and then just blend it. And then I'm blending it, so this is what it's looking like. It's becoming like butter, like peanut butter. That's how it's becoming. And you can eat this with bread, you can eat this with so many things. Yeah, so just want to show you guys, that's what I'm doing. So I'm just blending everything. This is just 2 containers. I have 5 of these containers, so this is just 2 containers in here. And yeah, I just blend it little by little because I really want it to be very sweet. So now that I'm done making the butter, now we're going to put it into this container and I'm going to blend the rest. So let's see. I'm super excited. Oh, this one is so good. It looks so delicious, man. This one is crazy. It looks so delicious. Can you guys just imagine? This is the best nut butter ever for your bread in the morning. Oh, I can't wait. So now we're going to make new ones. So guys, this is the finished result. This is your peanut butter. You see, this container is full and I still have a lot more. The container was a little bit too small, so I'm going to show you guys how I will personally eat this sometimes. If I don't want to mix this with my smoothies, I'm going to show you guys a way that I'll eat it. So I have a tray here. Let me just zoom out a little bit. I have my tray and I have this biscuit. This is so nice with peanut butter. Okay, I'm going to open it. I'm going to show you guys how I will. I'm definitely going to be adding this into my smoothies for that extra kilos, you know. So like this one is easy. If I want to make smoothie, I can easily put it into this container and just use that to make my smoothie without me not destroying my container. So this is my biscuits. I have one. I'm going to eat 3 biscuits. 2, 3. The remaining one I'm going to keep. So now, what you're going to do, you're going to take your... I'm going to first try to finish this one before jumping on that one. So you're going to take your peanut butter. You're going to rub it on your biscuits. Like this. This is really healthy. This is so delicious. I'm already feeling hungry. So you're gonna do that, and you're just gonna take a little bit also. You're gonna rub it onto the biscuits. Rub, rub, rub. Second. And then you're just gonna rub again. Rub this smoothly. Like this. That's how you have your biscuits. And then if you're somebody like me who like extra, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of hemp seed on top of it. Just a little bit, okay? This is my hemp. Just a little bit. You can also do this with bread. Toast your bread and then put some of this nut butter on top of it. You can add your strawberries if you have strawberries. You can have your blueberries. You can make it as nice as you want. But for me, this is it for now. For today, I just want to try it like this. So guys, this is it. This is my DIY peanuts. Peanut mix. Let me know what you all think of this. I'm super excited. I can't wait to start my weight gain journey again. Not that I'm looking to be like super heavy, but at least I want to gain a little bit of weight where I am comfortable with the way I look right now. Like, I'm so quick at losing weight. I lose weight very quickly, but to gain weight is always a struggle. So yeah, this is it. That's why I always like to eat like simple things. I love making little snacks because it's more easier to eat. So now I have this one. This is gonna be like my breakfast. I love it. You can eat this with on Bite Cook. On Bite Cook is this one. I don't know the English name. This is what we call on Bite Cook. This one, I like to eat this in the morning as well. You can eat this with butter. So this one is also very nice to put on top of this and eat it. So yeah, I'm going to try to eat this and finish it before time, because you cannot leave it for a very long time. So I'm going to put this one in the fridge first, and I'm going to try to finish this one before ever I open this one. So yeah, this is it. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye.